So this is the concluding part of the support and the resistance level. So can you see I'm using this opportunity to scalp BTC, the bullish BTC move. Just stay tuned to this channel, you are going to learn everything also. I'm also trading BTC. Now let's continue with what we are here for. So um I'm going to teach you how to perfectly draw your support and resistance. Perfectly draw support and resistance. And the procedures you have to follow to draw a perfect support and resistance, and how to know where your support and resistance line should be. Most people like to be drawing to draw. Let me just say there are various ways. Like in market, you can use different. Everyone has different ideas. Yeah, let me put it like that, of how to draw their support and resistance lines. I'm going to teach you how I think it's right to draw support and resistance and what I've been using. I can't say my own is more right than the others. I'm just going to teach you what I use and how I draw my support and resistance. Some people like drawing support and resistance level on the wick of the candle, while some people like drawing it on the body of the candle. Let me show you what wick. Let me quickly show you what wick, and let me show you what body is. Okay, take a look at this. Take a look at this candle. Yeah, this particular candle. Take a look at this candle. This candle here. Yeah. Okay. I'll take a look at this candle here. This long stick you are seeing here is what we call the wick. W-I-C-K, the wick of the candle. It means the market has reached here before there. Then we saw a pullback. So don't be sorry yourself. We are still going to market to candlestick analysis. You understand this very well. So this is the wick of the candle, where this, as you can see here now, this red, this big red is what we call the body of the candle. So some people like drawing. So let me just cite an example. Some people like drawing their support or whatever, their lines. Yeah, let me use that word, on this body like this, like where this body starts. And some people like drawing it on the wick. Yeah, on the wick like this. So I'm not saying either one is correct or either one is wrong. I'm not saying that, but I'm just going to teach you how I draw my own support and resistance level. So one thing I would like you to know in market is support level or resistance level can be turned to a support level can turn resistance, and the resistance level can turn support in market. The more, let me just give you these two rules you should take note of. Resistance turn into support level in the future. Like, it's possible for you to have a resistance level at the moment, but in the future it can be broken and it will turn support level. Number two is, the more a support or resistance level is being tested, the more likely it is to be broken. This implies that when you have a market that is testing a particular level so many times, the more market is testing it, the more it is possible for it to be broken anytime. So I hope you can see what I'm drawing. Now, to draw a perfect support and resistance level, some people don't know this, but I'm just going to share you tips of how to draw a perfect support and resistance level. It is very good to use we call something line chart. If you are using trading view, just go here, up here, you can see where this my cursor key is, and then we have candle, we have line, we have hollow candle, we have different things you can use to analyze the chart. Now, if you want to draw a nice support and resistance level, just change your candle, just set your chart from candle to line. Can you see the line now? Line is now showing perfectly where market is being tested. Where market, we have this particular market. When market comes here, touch this up, then come down again, go up, come down, go up. This is a nice resistance level. This up here is nice resistance level, and here now is a nice support level for this particular market. For this for this market, here now. This is a nice support level, resistance level, support level. Now when market break this support level now, this support level has turned to a resistance level for this particular market. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. For this market, this line is a support level, but for this down market, this line is a resistance level. Do you grab what I'm trying to say now? And the same thing happened here now. So when market breaks down here now, this particular line, which is a support level for this, has been turned to resistance level for this market below it. So this is how to draw a perfect support and resistance level. Just change your chart to line. Once you change it to line, you'll be able to see. So it will erase all the wicks that can be. Can you see very well? I change it back to candle now. You can see that we're having some wicks. Can you see we're having some wicks? We're having some wicks that can actually be disturbing you on how to draw it. But when you want to change it to line, once you change your distance, can you see the lines? Just take a look very well. Can you see when I'm using candle? Can you see the candle? But once I change it to line, line erase all the wicks and remaining all the body. So you know how to draw your support and resistance level perfectly. So that's how to draw a perfect support and resistance level. And don't forget the rule number 1: resistance can turn into a support level, and a support level can turn into a resistance level in the future. So, and rule number 2: the more price is testing a level, the stronger the level is. That's rule number 2. The more price is testing this level, the stronger it is. We have take a look at this. The one price tested it again. The more it's testing it, the stronger the level is. And rule number 3: the more a support resistance level is being tested, the more likely it is to be broken anytime. So take a look at the resistance level now. Testing it. At the end of the day, what happened? It got broken. So that is it. That is that for that about that and the resistance level. So thank you for joining OSP Trade today, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the notification button to be able to be notified once I drop new training session. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video.